Hello, welcome to your daily Texas forecast. Today is day 7, so it's officially been a week since I started this. Um, as of now, I'm recording this pretty late. It's 6 a.m., so I'm trying to keep my voice down if you don't mind because I'm, I think I'm the only one awake in my house. Um, first of all, looking at this, most of Texas is dealing with absolutely no rain whatsoever. Only places, maybe just very little small showers near um, Port O'Connor and Seadrift, uh, like near Edna, and then over at up here in the very northern Texas region. So the SPC outlook, so the SPC has put us under a thunderstorm risk for the same areas as yesterday, going from Port O'Connor and Matagorda to Beaumont, going up to near Jasper and Lufkin, and down to San Antonio. And then another one coming up from uh, El Paso to coming up from El Paso and over at Lubbock and Amarillo, which means although severe weather is not expected, all thunderstorms can produce deadly lightning, gusty winds, and small hail. This is the precipitable water that is currently in the atmosphere. Today we're looking at a different area of precipitable water, and it's mainly just the coastal region, so uh, Galveston, Bay City, possibly Victoria, Corpus Christi, Port Lavaca, Port O'Connor. And we're looking at the Cape here, and as I predicted, the Cape has risen from yesterday. This is the 6 a.m. Cape observations, and it is in the 3,000s, 3,000 joules per kilogram here, and that is enough to produce tornadoes, but but that's not necessarily all you need. But if this just keeps building, it'll be one of the ingredients to make tornadoes and strong thunderstorms. This is the max. As you can see, we're even peaking in the 5,000s down here. There's a little area pink. That's the absolute max. That is not prevalent right now. This is the minimum, very low, peaking in the 2,500s. The weather The Weather Prediction Center has us under no risk for excessive rainfall except a little bit of west extreme western Texas and El Paso with a marginal. But the big story we're looking at is once again the tropics, where we have a tropical disturbance in the Atlantic Ocean, and it has a 0% chance of tropical cyclone formation through 48 hours, but it has a 70% chance of formation through 7 days, or 60% chance, sorry. So we probably want to monitor that. I think that's going to be tropical storm or even Hurricane Debbie, and it's probably going to go to Florida. Um, Keep in mind that obviously its track is very uncertain since it's very far out. So, but it'll probably go to Florida, and I don't think it will go to Texas. But take everything with a grain of salt. And then lastly, we're going to look at what's going on in Texas. The main story will be the heat. So right now, the Dallas-Fort Worth office has issued a heat advisory for basically its entire viewing area, including um, all the way south to Cameron, Hearn, and Centerville, and all the way north through Gainesville, Paris, Sherman, Wichita Falls, and it also includes Dallas, Fort Worth, um, Waxahachie. Yes, yeah, it's a very large area. And then we're looking at another heat advisory through here that's going through. Um, okay, yeah, it's just going through the Rio Grande Valley. Um, okay, and Touching on Houston, the Houston office, heat advisories are just to the north. Like, for example, these are Burleson, Brazos, and Madison counties. Those are part of the Houston Galveston office, forecast office. This is um, Robertson, Milam, and Leon counties, and they're part of the Fort Worth office. So the border is basically the line is like right here. So the heat probably it still will be hot in these areas, even though they're not under a heat advisory. That's just because the office in Houston has not issued one yet. They probably will soon. And that's about it. Thank you for watching your daily Texas 4.